Today I'm going to be replacing the antenna on the 2010 Chevy Cobalt. And this is one I got from the insurance auction. I'm getting all the suspension stuff wrapped up. I got a new control arm, new bushing, new hub. And here's the bent control arm. That was pretty bent. I had to sawzall the bolt out. But anyway, today I'm going to be replacing the antenna. When I got this car from the auction, this is one of the things that was broken on it. And it was just sitting inside there like that. So it broke off on the mount up here, which caused water leak in the trunk, but I got all the water out. So if ever you have to replace one of these, they're pretty easy. So typically, if you just need to replace the metal part because the antenna was broken, that you could put a crescent wrench on here and you can do it on the car and it literally just screws off. And then this part unscrews too, which is the whole system. And then the wire for the bottom, this one just pulls out, but on some of them they screw in and there's a threaded part. But I guess on the 2010s they just pull out. So here's the mount for the antenna. It's going to take a 10mm. And this one up here, it looks like someone's already replaced it, but that just happens to be a 10mm as well. And this is the part that broke off the base of the antenna, which just caused it to spin and dangle. The best way to get this in is from the trunk. Okay, then you put the rubber in first, and then pull the rest of it through. There we go. Alright, then you just put the antenna piece on the bottom of the antenna. The antenna wire on the bottom of the antenna. Give it a quick push, and that's it. And when you're putting this in, put the antenna wire and the shaft, everything in the bottom, but don't set this outer piece of plastic in there. Put the rubber seal in there first, and you can fit it in there nice and easily. And then when you put the rest of the antenna through, it just fits right in and will snug right up. And that's how you do the antenna in probably most Chevy Cobalts, 2005 through 2010. I said some of them actually unscrew on the bottom for the wire, but this one didn't. All right, I'm going to get this car wrapped up as far as the suspension damage in probably the next week or so. So definitely stay tuned for that. All right, if you liked this video and it helped you out, please give it a thumbs up.